So the question is, how much should I expect return as a person, as a businessman? So remember, this is a question which is very subjective, because as we discussed, it's going to be different from people to people. But there has to be a minimum that you must get. There has to be something minimum that you must get, and that I can tell you what that minimum is that you must get. So the minimum is, let's say for example, if the inflation is at 6%, तो सीधी सी बात है कि 6% तो मुझे मिलना ही मिलना चाहिए, यस और नो. अगर मैं इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ और अगर मुझे 5% का रिटर्न मिल रहा है, इन्फ्लेशन अगर 6% का है, तो इसका मतलब मुझे फ़ायदा नहीं हो रहा है, मुझे 1% का घाटा हो रहा है. सो 6% इज़ द मिनिमम दैट आई हैव टू अर्न. नाउ व्हाट यू डू, now that you are into this business, okay, if you would have put your money into the bank, you would have got 6%. Now that you are putting that money into a business, that means you are taking a risk. So if you are taking a risk, then you must add some premium for the risk that you are taking. So let's say for example, again subjective, तो you can take a call कि ठीक है 3% का रिटर्न मिल गया मुझे मेरी रिस्क के लिए, तो इट्स ओके. सो अब आपकी मिनिमम रिटर्न एक्सपेक्टेशन कितनी हो गई? 6% प्लस 3%. Now you are into a business, and this is what happens. Now you are into a fintech, or you are a startup. So as a startup, remember, you are taking huge risk, or somebody who is putting money into your business is also taking huge risk. So he would like to add further premium, and that is how he would say, okay, since I am putting my money into a startup and this startup has got no guarantee, so my money one day can go down the drain, and therefore I would like to add another 10% for the extra risk that I am taking. So you add another 10%. So 6 plus 3 plus 10 is 19%. So 19% is the minimum return that you must expect as an investor. And this 3% and 10% among all of us and everybody outside can vary depending on their perception. I hope that answers your question, Agli.
Yes.
Okay.
And, I'm sorry, I'm asking a lot of questions.
No worries. We'll